Alright, we're good. Let's see the top here.
These only index in one direction.
Gotcha. Alright. And our bottom turret. Now let's do jogger. Looks good. Everything works up there. And we gotta go, that's 150, we gotta go a little bit.
150, yeah.
What's the closest door?
You can wind it up, but this machine is 2800 max.
Alright, let's just kick it to like 2000.
And I gotta stop it in order to do that.
That's fine.
Here we go.
That's $2,000. Let's leave it like that for a second.
Let's see if we can get you a page that you might be able to see something. 1500.
This looks new.
People come to view these, are you gonna fire them up and show them it running, or will they just be able to see these videos?
No, they could come and see them run. All right, let's kill it. Open this door again.
This one has a tailstock on it too, I believe. You want to advance it? Again, this one you have to use the turret to drag it, but we can extend it and retract it.
The quill?
Yeah.
You can do that. Alright. It works. You want to do a little walk around? Thank you very much for your help, and then we'll shut this one down. Yeah, you can shut her down.
Takes a couple minutes to shut down. It loads everything. It saves all your settings.
No problem. I'm gonna get.
It starts to disappear as it starts to shut down.
Good deal.